Hello and welcome. I am continuing my epic mission to catch up on all the cases that happened last Saturday. And now I'm getting to MEWC Madagascar. So there were three cases for this. There was from Excel Pro to Superhero, and then there was an extension one as well. I haven't looked at Excel Pro or Superhero. I did do a test solve of the extension. Um, in advance, and that I think is going to get its own separate video. But I looked at the instructions here. It says all levels are independent on both of them, so I might just try and squeeze these both into the one video because then I'll have one less video that I need to do. Okay, let's start the timer and see what happens. So, what is the last date this athlete looked at a case? Okay, so we're going to need some support data. Training log. Okay, so let's make this HT. Ooh, weird color scheme. Anyway, okay. I guess I'll call this log. How many different tables are there? If it's a table per level, no, it's not. Okay, fine. Then call this cases. Cases. Okay. So sorry, hide that. So then I think I want to just say max ifs log date where log athlete ID, I guess, is this. Yes, matches the example, and we're happy. Okay. Level 2. What is the first name of the author of the specified case? Okay, interesting. Okay, I guess we're taking, oh yes, sorry, it says right here, first name is everybody. I'm so bad at reading instructions. I keep looking at cases and being like, this is underspecified. They haven't said it's the second line. There's literally 2 lines of instructions and I didn't make it to the second one. Okay, so we're going to look up this in cases, wait, one of these has to be the title right there. Returning from cases author. And then we're going to text before, or a space, and I want before the last one, which is -1. And that's it. How many minutes in total did the following person invest in the specified case category? Okay, so it's reported in minutes. Okay, then so it's just be sum ifs log duration in minutes, where log athlete ID is this, and log category. No. Okay, sorry, we're gonna merge the tables, I guess. So category, that's gonna be XLOOKUP. Shown in here, returning from here. Okay, so try again. Where log category is this, and we want to round to the nearest integer. Okay, happy days. Which case category did the following athletes spend the nth most time on? Okay. So it's going to be sum ifs log duration in minutes, where log athlete ID is this, and oh, and look, they've got the categories handily listed here. Log category is this. So that's going to return this array, basically. And then I want to XLOOKUP, let's just say 10 to the 12, in that, returning from this. Oh, sorry, no, wait, I'm not looking for the biggest one. I'm looking for the nth one. So, okay, so then let times be that. Oops, all right, meant to delete, not enter. Then nth will be large times by this. And then we want to XLOOKUP nth in times, returning from this. And I did not lock that, so let's lock that twice, and then we should be good. Happy days. What is the Monday of the week of the following dates? Okay, the Monday of the same week. Ooh, how do we define a week here exactly? Yeah, there's some international convention assumptions going on here, but anyway. Okay, so if that's a Tuesday, then we're saying Sunday's 1, Monday's 2. So, or does the Sunday go back to the Monday? I think it must. I think it must be week starting Monday, otherwise it wouldn't make sense. So, if I say mod that minus 2 by 7, let's do a sequence of 7 rows starting from here as dates, or actually starting from this Monday. So then we'll say mod of this by 7. So I want that to go to 0, so I'm going to say mod of this minus 2. Oops, sorry, minus 2 by 7. Yeah, and then I just want to say this minus that. And that puts the wall back to the Monday. Okay, happy days. So, okay, so this minus. Okay. There's no answers here, so I have no idea if I'm getting these right or not. But okay, I got through that fast enough that I think I am going to go ahead and... Oh, wait, sorry, there are bonuses up here as well, aren't there? What is the title of the case with the shortest description? So we're going to say at sort by cases, title by len, cases, title, and we want to sort in ascending. Well, it'll be pretty obvious, I guess. If I'm getting, yes, there it is. There are 3 pairs of cases with the same description. If you sort the titles alphabetically from A to Z, which title comes first? Okay. Discount. I feel like there's a smarter way to do this, but I'm gonna go with this way. Ooh, what? Huh? You what? What's the problem? I'm so... Okay, never mind. We're gonna say some minus minus. Honestly, it worries me when I find that I can't use COUNTIF. But let's go with that. Okay, so then here are our 2's and the cases in order. The first one is au secours. Pretty manual approach, but whatever. How many cases contain the string final? COUNTIFs. Except I'm not sure that this is going to work. Sorry, I'll come over here. Just also do it this way. Yeah, okay, fine. There's only one case which has the category time in the dataset. What does it have? So XLOOKUP cases, sorry, XLOOKUP time in cases, categories, returning from cases, title. Okay, and only 2 cases have their description not written in French. Okay, I guess we can detect language. Okay. Fine. And you want what to know which title comes first. Okay, so that's that one. Now let's do, actually I'm going to pause and go blow my nose because it's running like crazy, and then I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Case 2. Keep the change. You own a shop in a very wealthy city. The inhabitants of the city are very, very generous with money and allow you to keep as a tip the amount of money you cannot refund. And through 9 different types of banknotes you can use to keep change. Your customer goes to maximize the refunded amount without exceeding the amount owed, thereby minimizing your tip. Okay. So are these okay. So I guess I'll import my lambdas first of all. And then what do I want to do? I guess I want to say scan this through, let's say, sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, starting from 7 in steps -1, lambda a v. I'm trying to work out the tip. Okay. Wait a minute. Maximize refunded amount. Wait, what? Oh. I'm confused. Okay, so you are trying to maximize what you give back. So am I even doing the right logic then? So do as many of these as you can, then yeah, I think it's just greedy algorithm. Let's try it. Okay, so it's going to be a minus actually let's just say let an m be index of this by v and amt be index of this block by v. Then we want a minus, it's going to be, what on earth am I doing here? A divided by amount. The most you could do is int a divided by amount, but also limited to the number of you have times amount. I think that's it. Okay. All right, and then we make that a reduce. Not 100% convinced that there's not a different approach to that, but for now I'm going to move on. The cards with numerical values have decided to rebel against the royalties. Each of them inflict damage against the royal cards of the same symbol as them. What? What? Okay. All right. So I guess we're going to say scan xlookup this left of this in here, lock, turning from here, lock, sorry, close the left. From that through the cards, which is here, it's going to be lambda a v a minus if right of v equals right of G99. Then the cards do what, sorry? Inflicts damage against the royal card. Yeah. Okay, fine. So it does its own damage. Ace brings them to 1. Okay. Okay, so we're going to say, let's do this first then. Say if that is not equal to that, then it just remains as A. Otherwise, if left v equals A, then 1. Otherwise, but I'm not totally clear if it should be the min of 1 and A. Like, does it heal them up to 1? And it says brings it to, not brings it down to, so I'm going to say yes. Anyway, okay, sorry, A minus, I guess I'll say 1 times regex extract v d plus. If I have 16 ends up at -9. Oh, if I have to restart my timer, whoops, that would help. Okay, so I think that's it. And we'll change the scan to reduce again. And we're happy. Okay, feeling confident you've just finished from Excel Pro case, you go challenging other terrible cases there are in the wild. What? Every time you complete a case, your XP increases and you move on to the next nearest one. A case will be completed only once. The distance between 2 cases can be determined using Pythagoras. Okay. The duration in completing a case is determined as follows. Difficulty value of the case divided by your XP times reach times accuracy. Okay. How long do you take to finish the nth case in order the clock restarts with each case provided? What? Okay. So I guess there's a list of cases here somewhere. Yes, there is. Got it. Okay. Okay, so that's 1 to 36, that's 2 to 36. We're going to hide the French version of all that. Okay, let's go. First of all, I do have now a dist pythag, rdiff and cdiff. Okay, so let's start by doing xlookup this in here, lock returning from here. Let's take it all, I guess, lock. Then let's do filter. I should have made it a table. Let's make it a table now. And we'll call it, what do I want to call this? I guess cases. Probably should just call it C. Never mind, I don't care. Okay, so then we're going to filter cases. Why is it not giving me name suggestions? I'm so confused. Did I make a table or not? No, apparently I made a named range. What? That's weird. Anyway. Make it a table, please. And call it cases. Okay, sorry. So now we're going to say filter cases. Case where, so I need two checks. One, it hasn't come up before, so we'll say is number x match cases case against this, lock the first cell so it fills down. Yep. Actually, sorry, I guess I just want I don't really want to filter, do I? I want to sort by. So first we want to sort by this. And if I sort it that way, then to superhero goes to the bottom. Good, that's what I want. And then by, so that's in ascending order, yes. And then the second sort is going to be the Pythagorean distance, and that's going to be cases x coordinate colon y coordinate. Okay, cases minus this, and then we want to by row. My kingdom for argument unpacking. Fine. Lambda row pythag. Actually, no, I don't even want a pythag now. I want a square root of some square of row. How many closing brackets do I need here? That many. And I want to sort by that, also ascending. And that gets me Temple of Golden Idol. Hooray. So now I'll put an at on that. And I'll take that and put it over here. Oh, hang on. You say doggy daycare is next? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Because you have to pull this down. Oh, okay. So now, please say doggy daycare. You do, how obliging. So we'll pull that down, and then we'll get rid of this. And then we will bring all the rest down. Yeah. And now let's see if we can match the completion. Wait, sorry. Case we complete, yes, every time we complete a case, your XP increases. Okay, so then, sorry, what are these things? XP of completed difficulty value. But is there a, you always complete it or what? I guess you always complete it? I don't know. Okay, so, sorry, it's difficulty and XP. So then you start with XP of 42, then your XP is going to be this plus this, and your time, wait, sorry, this is XP delta, this is XP, and then your time is going to be what now? The difficulty rating divided by your current XP, which is your old XP, times your reach times your accuracy. Okay, no, we don't agree. Bother. Oh no, sorry, this is your XP after completing the case. Yes. And it takes you, so let's divide by 60, that's your number of hours, divided by 24, that's your number of days, and format as whichever one of these bloody things is time. There we go, 107. And then, yeah, these are all calculated independently, so I can just say text of that. H, mm, SS. Good. Is that the format we're supposed to give the answer in? Let's see. Or is it supposed to be time format? False. Okay, so then get rid of the text. That's true. Okay, fine. So then I think that's it. All right, level 4. What is the answer to the question below? Use the table in this worksheet to convert Braille into Arabic letters. The table is not case sensitive. Okay, so concat of XLOOKUP of letters of this in Braille lock returning from character lock. That's the XLOOKUP, that's the concat. Then I want to XLOOKUP question in here, lock, and return the answer from here. Lock, I think. Nope, didn't like that. Oh dear. All right, so let's pull this part out first. With an equal sign, thank you. Okay. Let's just for a second say okay, what? So okay, there are a couple of trinos, and okay. Got it. Okay, so I think we're looking for make that a space. Okay, got it. So then put in an if not found space here. I still don't like that. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. So I think we need to say if error. That's I don't love like look. What's going on is there's a dash in here, and you're supposed to just keep that as a dash. I don't love that. That it doesn't even mention that. That's confusing. But anyway, no, go away. Okay, now I think we've got something good. Take that in here, replace this concat. Okay. All right, and level 5. What is the weekday of the following date? Okay. So weekday of this and return type. I want one Monday. Yes. Huh? Oh. Gotcha. Okay. So then it's going to be date value of right of this 4 plus, I don't know, I guess 4,000 looks like it'll be enough for all of them. So the logic here is basically if you move in steps of 400 years, then the weekday and also leap years and other things stay the same. So 4,000 is a safe multiple to use. Sorry, not date value, just date. So that's the year. The month is mid. Sorry, the format is what now? I see that's going to be mid this by 4-2. And then it's going to be left this 2. Okay, and then we can point to this. That'll do. Got some values here. Really? Oh, right. Yes, yes, yes. So let's just say if error. That nonsense, then same thing, but with 3. Still some of these not happy. Why? No, just wider. Okay. Okay. Bonuses. How many times did we not keep any change at all throughout level 1? Just count diffs. Bah. Bah. Count diffs. Stuff. 0. Just 1 time. How many damages in total were inflicted to the royal cards throughout level 2? Exclude the example number. Okay. So equals x lookup. X lookup left of this. Yeah. This in, where are we? Here. Lock, returning from here. Lock. Yeah. Forgot to close the left again. So that's their starting point minus all of this. This should all be, yes, good, and some. Okay, what is the name of the 24th case following the order? I was looking to see if it was related to a level in case it was the order they were solved in, but I think it's just that. Okay, what is the title of level 4 when translated to Arabic letters? Put the first letter in uppercase. Okay. So we're going to take, where did we put it? Okay, this. Put it here and point this to there, and this to there, and proper. Okay. Okay, and what is the weekday index of this? Monday, the first day of the weekend, is equal to 1. Huh? I mean, okay. Question whether this is a meaningful concept, but okay, so 1/1/1900. That is, yeah, that is a 1. Okay, and that is a Sunday. So that is Monday, which is 1. Except that Excel is off by 1 on some of these things, so I'm not totally sure that works, but if I just do this, does it understand that? No. Okay. All right, that's time. I didn't record for a few minutes. I didn't have my timer running for a few minutes here, so it's not my actual time. I don't know what it really is, if anything. I don't have any answers here, which I only just noticed. So I'm going to go see if I have the answers somewhere. If I do, I'll check, and if I don't, then I guess you'll just have to guess whether I got them right or not. Okay, I think the answers are not out yet, so probably I've done at least something silly here, but I think I'm going to leave it at that for now. And if I become aware of anything I've done wrong, I'll post it in a comment under the video or in the video description or both. And I will have another video on the super extra hard level that came after both of these at some point later. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.